Look, so I know why you went ahead and clicked onto this video. You're here for the review / early images of the Air Jordan 4 off-white colorway sales. It's a crazy shoe, crazy colorway, and in this video, we're gonna be going over a few of the newly released images or whatnot, and on top of that, I'm gonna go ahead and give my honest viewpoints about just the shoe in general and how I feel about it. And also in the video, we are going to discuss how you can go ahead and cop this shoe. So without further ado, ain't gonna waste no more time. Let's go ahead, roll that intro, and get this video started. Hey man, this is your boy Chris Aaliyah, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle, man. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can tell by the video, we have something a little bit different on the channel. I'm gonna be doing a review over the Air Jordan 4 off-white drop that's supposed to be happening July 25th. If y'all know anything, I know like I've done a few shoes on the channel, but it is actually something that I want to get into more because, you know, growing up or whatnot, I wasn't really in tune with like sneakers and whatnot, just based off of the fact that I never really had enough money to like afford as many sneakers. I was usually torn between I can spend $200 on this new pair of J's, I can spend $200 towards outfits. And I always went towards the outfits because, man, I don't want to be caught wearing the same. Like, I didn't want to be caught wearing the same outfits just to have this one really, really nice shoe. But, you know, now I feel like a good way to get into it, and at least to start reviewing a few shoes that I feel like are pretty heat. And these are one of them pairs. So, without further ado, we're finna pull out the laptop, we're finna look at the news, and we're finna see if this is actually a cop. When we're going to see if this is actually a shoe that you guys should go ahead and cop, or if you should just let it slide. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. Alright, so if you guys are new to the channel, let me go ahead and introduce this segment to you guys. So we usually go ahead, we pull out the laptop, and we start looking at the news. Okay, before we get started, we're going to be breaking down like the price. I'm gonna go give you guys my opinion over this shoe, and then we're gonna go and see like if you want to cop this shoe, like what are the steps that you have to take and where they're gonna be selling this shoe. So let's go ahead and get this recording on now. Okay, so as you guys can see, okay, we're recording. As you guys can see on the screen as of right now, where the sneakers at. So first things first, these shoes can be bought on the sneakers app, but bro, I'm gonna be real with you guys, bro. Purchasing things from the sneakers app, bro, is low-key hard and difficult, man. Like, the site be crashing a lot, but you still got that chance of getting a little bit lucky where you can go ahead and get the shoe. I can just say my suggestions is open up multiple devices. Like if you have multiple, like use your phone, laptop. If you can go to a computer lab, open up like multiple, like use multiple computers or whatever, just to increase your chances or whatnot of preventing it from crashing. Because I remember I was trying to cop, I think it was like one of Travis Scott's shoes. I don't remember which one. I think they were the ones. Don't quote me on that, but like 5 devices open, everyone crashed. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take a look. Let's go ahead and open this image. And I'm not gonna lie, like I know that these are just like a women's shoe, but like they're hard. And for any of you guys who have ever purchased like a shoe specifically for women's, there's like small, minute changes. But I mean, it's nothing too big. Just get it in like your size and women's and you're straight. But as of right now, like these are hard, super, super hard. Especially the colorway. I feel like you can put a lot of fits together with this. To me, in my eyes, I'm like, this is a go. Plus, I like 4s. 1s and 4s, those are like my go-to, so to speak. And for the price, it's at $200, which is it's not too steep. I feel like it's right in that, you know, average price range. It's not like a Dior Air Force One type, you know, no. It's not like a Dior Air Jordan 1 pricing. So as you can see, it's going to drop on the 7th it's going to drop on the 25th of this month at 9. So again, like if you're going to go ahead and try to get your hands on this, bro, you wait for like 30 minutes. Just have the website just up and just constantly be refreshing. Let's see what else. Yeah, bro, these are really hard in my opinion. Like, they're not too crazy, ain't too loud, but it's something that I would definitely want to go ahead and cop. And also, as you guys can see on this picture right here, we're on the sneaker news page. They're coming with multiple laces, of course. And it's overall, I feel like for an off-white shoe, I don't even know where I would rank this one specifically, because I feel like it's more on like the left side. It's not as loud, so to speak. It's a new subtle colorway. I know I've been looking at a few videos of this shoe in person, which I don't have the shoe obviously, but I was looking at them in person, or at least the sample ones that they've been sending out to like a few content creators and whatnot. And from what I can from what I can see, it looks a whole lot better in person. Like, I feel like the colors kind of pop a little bit more in person based off of the few videos that I was able to, you know, stumble across. But I don't know, like, these are just one of those shoes. I just feel like they're hard. And since it's a women's shoe, I don't know how much of the hype is going to be with it. I know it's still off-white, obviously, but I don't know how much hype it's going to have. So that might go ahead and increase your chances if you're trying to go ahead and get it. Because overall, I mean, I mess with it. All of the colors mesh well together. And on top of that, it's not too loud. And now let's take a look at this box. So I saw this box, and I've seen a few content creators get it, and the box was looking beat. And it's like, and I was like, what the heck? Because usually, like, if you've ever gotten a fake pair of shoe, I'm guilty. I done got a few fake pairs. Videos linked up here if y'all want to see that whole experience. First thing you can usually tell is that, like, the box is going to be beat. Because for a brand new shoe, like, there is no reason for the box to be like messed up and whatnot. However, the box is pretty creative. Like, I like it, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you kind of get a sneak peek whenever you get the box. Just the box itself, I'm messing with it. It's cool, different, little unique design, and it's very subtle. So to me, that was the first thing that kind of like got my attention, was just like, oh shoot, like this box is, it's like, it's pretty live. And then obviously the little attachment that comes with it, I mess with it. Just the reason why the shoe has gotten my attention is just really because of the colors. It's not like, obviously it's not black and it's not white, but it still has like that type of feel to it. Like, you can wear it with almost anything. You can wear it with multiple types of jeans, shorts. Like, if you're adding this pair of shoe into your like lookbook of outfits, I feel like you can get away with a lot of outfits with a lot of different colors. I feel like that's like the key thing, because it's not a loud shoe. It's actually like, I'm messing with it a lot. So yeah, that wraps this up right here. Like, as you can see, they made sure that they used really, really good materials on the shoe. And I don't know, like, this is just a shoe that I'm excited for, especially for someone who is not super, super crazy in the sneaker game. This is like a shoe that I feel like I can go ahead and add to my collection. Because for one, it's not too loud, and I can go ahead and essentially wear it with a lot. As you guys can see right here, it kind of gives me like this colorway. Like, this is essentially the colorway for the shoe. I will have a review over these coming soon, probably within like the coming week or so. But essentially, I think, as you guys can tell, like, this colorway is something that I just like. So, you know, that tan just kind of goes with a whole lot of things. And that's something that I look for, especially whenever I'm trying to get my hands on a few pairs of shoes, is just being able to match it with as many things as possible. Because since I don't have as many, like, pairs of shoes at the moment, I don't want to just get a pair that's really loud to the point to where I can only wear it with specific items, or it only looks good with specific things. So for this one, in my eyes, I feel like this is a cop. Like, if you feel like you can go ahead and get your hands on this shoe, please go ahead and do so. Please go ahead and, you know, set yourself up to go ahead and buy it. Because I feel like the resale projections is probably going to be, it's going to be pretty steep. Well above $300-400. I guarantee that. Just because, of course, it's an off-white shoe and they always skyrocket in prices. And on top of this, I feel like this is going to be a highly sought after shoe in the future. But if you guys enjoyed this video, I just ask that you guys go down below, like this video, and also I need you guys to answer a few questions for me. Let me know if you're going to go ahead and try and cop this, and if you're not, tell me why. Like, are you not rocking with it? Do you not like the colorway? Is this just not your type of style? You know what I'm saying? Do you just not like fours? I'm really curious to know. So you guys go down below. Make sure you go ahead, leave a few comments for me. And on top of that, make sure that you guys go and subscribe, bro. Right now we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. I appreciate all the support I've been getting on the channel. On top of that, we are very, very close to 100,000 views overall on the channel, which is actually crazy to me. And this is all in a little bit over a year, so that's just insane. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Leah, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9.